Hello, today we cover S&P Capital IQ. We'll go over how to access the database, what's in it, and how to do screening. Put another way, screening is targeted search with data filters. Let's get started. Go to the library website at lib.purdue.edu to locate our A to Z list of databases. You'll find S&P Capital IQ there. S&P Capital IQ is a top tool for obtaining company information. It works best with public companies. It contains detailed company financials, ratios, multiples, valuations, and a lot more. S&P Capital IQ is also a top tool for obtaining other types of company intelligence: board and executive biographies, competitor analysis, equity pricing, filings, credit ratings, supply chain insight, and more. S&P Capital IQ offers a powerful screening engine with hundreds of data filters, the topic of today's video. Note, S&P Capital IQ requires you to create a free account with your Purdue email credentials. Here is the home page. This video is all about targeted search with filters. We'll begin with a people screen. Next, we need to pick our criteria. There is a wide range of filters. We'll begin by targeting Purdue alumni. Over 7,000 hits. We'll next look for Purdue alumni employed in key job functions. For example, CEO, President, CFO, COO. Lots of options. We'll experiment with only a few. Down to 2,000 plus hits. We'll then target Purdue alumni key executives in the healthcare industry. We could get quite granular, but we'll only experiment with healthcare in general. $400 plus hits. Look at the results. There are links to the people, their company, and more. One more example of screening. Now we'll target companies. Companies in Indiana. Energy companies in Indiana. We've covered 2 examples of how to screen. If you want to learn more about other ways to do so, explore Screening Light and all idea generation screens. If you need more help using S&P Capital IQ, click on the help link. Now you know how to access S&P Capital IQ, what's in it, and how to do screening, targeted search with data filters. For more information, visit the Parish Library homepage. If you have questions, contact the Parish Library. Thank you.